Hey guys, well, a couple months ago, some of you may have noticed on some of the videos, we hit a issue 1 blood splatter out of one of these simple little blaster boxes, the OG blaster boxes, my favorite. Hit so many wicked awesome cards out of these. I've probably done 1,000 of these boxes, but I thought I was out, and I found 4 more hidden behind some comics. So I decided to break another one. Now the one issue 1 blood splatter that I hit went to a customer during a live Whatnot show. And I think he paid like less than $20 for the box, and he had an issue 1 blood splatter worth potentially 6 figures. So pretty wicked hit. So I decided I was going to open these slowly. We'll see. Wouldn't that be something to hit another one? So let's go. Here we go. Season 1, the OG blaster. Let's see if I can find the relic. There's 1 relic per box. I think that first pack was the relic. I've opened so many I can tell just by the thickness. Yeah, I think that first pack was the relic, so let's see. Alright, let's go. Flaxens, Immortal, Muller Twins, and the Flaxens. I love these blaster boxes. They're so much fun. Alright, let's go. Kill Cannon, Omni-Man Invincible, Nolan Grayson, and Pop Art Mark Grayson. Boy, I have some wicked awesome keepsake cards on my Whatnot rack. You guys check me out on DodgeZen _ cards. I sell Marley and Invincible, all of them. Invincible, William, Adam Eve Robot, and Monster Girl. Nice. Don't see that one too often. Again, blaster box. Damian Darkblood, Invincible, Titan, and Adam Eve. Oh, nice single character cards. Hollows. I like it. That feels pretty thick. Interesting. Fish Lips, Aquas, Omni-Man, Invincible and Omni-Man. Nice. And nice. Omni-Man Blue Hollow. Like it. Very cool. Red Rush, Adam Eve, Invincible, and Reaniman. Okay. No blood splatters. Getting stingy on my last few boxes. Come on. Come on, hit me some nukes. Flaxens, Doc Seismic, Immortal, and Robot. Man, come on now. Come on. Alright, relic pack. Let's go. Down to 3 boxes. Let's hit some fire. Battle Beast, Immortal, Invincible, and oh, look at that. Nice. Nice quad. Eee. Eee. Okay. Nice little comic strip there. Oh, like, share, comment, subscribe if you will. Probably do a Bruce Lee 101 next. Usually do at least two a month of the 101 exclusives. Getting rarer and rarer. So there you go. Season 1. Keepsake Premiere Edition Blaster. Till we meet again, I hope you thrive.